today we're going to talk about what to do when you find yourself at a plateau in the program. So, this is a possibility. This is likely going to happen for some of you. And so I wanted to just take a few minutes to talk about some strategies around what you can do when you find yourself in that type of a situation. So I know that, we have a wide variety of people in the program. You all have different goals, but many of you are here on a weight loss journey. So I'm going to, talk about mainly from that standpoint, what happens when the scale stops moving in the direction that you wish it was going, or perhaps for some of you that had a goal of better energy, that you aren't quite hitting your mark, or maybe you did well for a while and you've started to backslide a little bit. So I want to say that, and this may be a theme that you're getting from a lot of the weekly video series that we've been doing. When Kathy and Tom approached me about putting together the Level 10 Health Program, and we ultimately developed this Level Up program that you follow now, I was using all of my years in health and wellness care and the experience in working with thousands of patients and clients in putting that program together. And it has all of the components necessary to move you in the direction of your goals. And it also contains all of the components that you need in order to get yourself off of a plateau. So let's talk about the reasons why somebody might hit a plateau. I would say in my experience, one of the number one reasons is going to be stress, right? If we are in a stress response, or if we are a person in chronic stress, which is many of us, really honestly in our culture, stress is so pervasive. It's the reason why we built into the program a very important, in my opinion, the most important component, which is your daily visualization meditation routine. And what I find is that sometimes we get caught up in our focus on weight loss or our focus on our specific goal, and we forget that we need to be actually doing the activities that are going to help us reach that goal. So what I would say is the very first thing to do when you find yourself in a plateaued situation is to review the priorities of your program. So number one is going to be sleep. Are you getting your 7 to 8 hours of sleep at night? If you are not, that presents a very big stress to the body. The body's not able to repair itself, and it is going to stall your efforts at reaching your health optimization goals, particularly your weight loss goals. Stress response management. Are you doing your daily visualization and your daily meditation routine? And I'm saying daily, right? All of these things should have, by this point, become your lifestyle, right? These are things that you do every day, just like we brush our teeth, right? There's that level of importance to these particular aspects of the program. So your daily stress response management. Are you doing your daily body movement, right? So you cannot really expect the body to let go of weight if you're not going to provide it with any extra calorie burning, right? That's just basic science. So moving your body every day, work with your accountability coach, right? They are just full of ideas and help for you if you find that you have fallen behind or perhaps you've gotten off on one of the important key aspects of the program. Obviously, your food plan is important. So if you are not on plan, we've tried to really make the nutritional component of this program really straightforward, guys. It's not difficult. It is follow the meal planning tool. The foods that you can have are listed there. It doubles as a shopping list. We give you the portion size. We even show you a picture for those of you who learn more visually. So the meal planning and prep is really the key. So if you're not sitting down every week and planning out the following week, then you are absolutely going to find yourself plateauing in the program. So these, the biggest recommendation I can make to those of you who find yourself in a plateau is that it's very likely that you have gotten off track in one or more areas of the program. And so I would encourage you to work with your accountability coach to figure out where those areas are that you could double your efforts in and get yourself back on track. If you are doing everything that you possibly can and you feel like you've plateaued anyway, then that's the time to work with your accountability coach. There may be some other input we can give you. It may also be the time to work with your physician, get some blood work done, get your screenings done, make sure there's not something else going on. But for the majority of you, a plateau simply means that you have fallen off the program in some way. So you know what, guys? Your best life is waiting, and Level 10 Health and your accountability coach is here to help you achieve that life.